Hi guys, I'm Mr. Paradox and we will continue Cybersecurity 101 and we will solve Linux Fundamentals Part 2. Okay, start. Introduction. Let's proceed, no answer needed. Accessing your Linux machine using SSH deploy. Okay, I have logged into in Linux Fundamentals Part 2 machine using SSH. Okay. Introduction to flags and switches. Explore the manual page of the ls command. Manual page is ls commands is that. Read these commands. What directional are okay would we use to navigate down the manual page? Down. What flag would we use to display the output in a human readable way? H. File system interaction continued. Okay. How would you create the file named new node? Okay. We must use the command of touch and new node. Okay. ls new node. On the deployable machine, what is the file type of unknown one in TrackMIS home directory? Okay. We should connect the machine and SSH try hack me. Yes, try hack me. Okay, what's the question? On the deployable machine, what's the file type of unknown one in TrackMIS home directory? cd home, sorry, ls unknown one, yes, file unknown one. ISKey text. Okay. How would we move my file to directory my folder? Move my file my folder. Yes. Okay. What are the contents of this file? Okay. My file, my folder, ls my folder, cat my file, ls my file, sorry guys, cd my folder, ls cat my file, DSM file system. Okay. Continue to apply your knowledge and practice the commands from this task. Check. Permission 101. On the deployable machine, who is owner of the important. ls, la, la, important. Yes, the owner of the important is user2. ls, ls, la, okay. ls, la command is show them all hidden information about our folders. Okay, what would the command be to switch to the user2? So user2. Now switch to this user2 using the password user2. Okay. So user2. Okay. Output the contents of the important. What's the flag? Get important THM. So user2. Okay. Common directories. Okay. Common directories. Readme. Okay. What's the directory path that would we expect logs to be stored? Var log. What root directory is similar to how RAM on a computer works? Temporary. Name the home directory of the root user. Root. Now apply your learning and navigate through these directories on the deployed machine, Linux machine. Okay. Conclusion and summaries. Proceed to the next task to continue your learning. Okay. Linux part 2. Terminate the machine from task 2. Join Linux fundamentals part 3. Okay. Okay guys. We solved this room. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you later.